Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's open upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable exceptions for this mode. It could be alarms, media sounds, touch sounds. You can also add you can hide sound from notifications, or you can disable like visuals and sounds. You can also add to exceptions like messages, reminders, events. You can add contacts to exceptions too. You can set up default duration of this mode, and you can set it to turn on automatically. Basically, you can set up a schedule for it. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.